In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zap in Zapier. If you're new to Zapier, you're in for a treat. Zapier is a powerful tool that connects your favorite apps, automating workflows, and saving you tons of time. Let's dive right in and get started. And by the end of this short session, you'll have your very own Zap up and running. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Zapier website and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, this would be the perfect time to sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Zapier dashboard. Now, this is your central hub. It's where all the magic happens. You'll see all sorts of options, but for today, we're focusing on creating a Zap. To do this, look for the Create button. When you click on this button, a drop-down menu will appear. You'll then click on Zaps, because that's precisely what we're here to do. Create one of these wonderful automated workflows. As you select this option, you're introduced to a choice. You can either manually craft your Zap step by step, or take advantage of Zapier's AI assistant for some helpful guidance. If you're feeling confident, you can jump right in by creating your Zap manually. But don't worry. If you prefer a bit of guidance, the AI assistant will gently lead you through the process. With that decision made, you're at the point where you can begin establishing the fundamentals of your Zap. Here, on your screen, you'll notice options labeled as Trigger and Action. Simplifying what these mean, your trigger is the event that starts your automation, while the action is what your Zap should do once triggered. For instance, if you receive an email, that could be your trigger, and your Zap might automatically save the email's attachments to your Dropbox, a fine example of an action. To get started, click beneath Trigger or Action to see a pop-up list of applications you can integrate. Moving forward, select the specific action you want your chosen application to perform under both the Trigger and Action sections. To make this work seamlessly, you'll likely be prompted to sign into each respective application, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Once linked, you can delve further into the possibilities, add more applications, customize additional actions and triggers as necessary, and tailor your automation. Note that the complexity you can introduce might be influenced by the type of plan you're on. And finally, before wrapping up, don't skip the crucial step of testing. This is where you make sure everything is functioning correctly. Once satisfied, go ahead and publish your Zap. You now have a working automation in place, all in just a few minutes. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this session on creating a Zap helpful. Enjoy the newfound efficiency in your workflows,